everyone, welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. My name is Caitlin and today we'll be making some Wick candle tins. These are perfect for every season and scent, but I especially love them during the winter months when it's chilly outside. If you want to see how we make them, hit the like button and keep watching. I start by melting down my wax of choice. Simply fill your pouring pitcher with wax and place it in your double boiler. Watch carefully as the wax begins to liquefy. While my wax is melting, I can prepare my container. To prepare the container, use a Wick sticker to adhere the Wick tab to the base of the tin. Once the wax has fully melted, check the temperature and remove it from the heat source. I want my wax to be around 190 degrees before adding fragrance. Looks like I'm right about there, so now we can continue to the next steps. Our first additive is fragrance. For my candle, I'll be using apple cinnamon because it's simply divine and perfect for use with a Wick. It's already pre-measured in the bottle, so I'm just gonna dump it in and stir everything very thoroughly. Finally, I'm adding a couple drops of liquid candle colorant in a warm red color that will suit the candle. Remember, liquid candle dyes are very vibrant, so you only need a few drops. Pouring temperatures for different wax types vary, so be sure to check what is applicable for your selected wax. I need to pour mine at about 160 to 170 degrees. I'm right in that temperature range, so now I can fill my container to the top. Awesome, now our candle just needs to harden and cure, and I'll check back with you when it's done. Hey guys, I'm back with my completed Wick candle. Doesn't it look super cozy and comforting? And it smells even perfect too. Don't forget to trim your wick to about 1/4 of an inch before your first burn and you'll be all set to go. We love Wick candles because of the gentle crackling sound they make when they're in use. Each 8-ounce candle costs about $2 to make, meaning they can be sold wholesale $4 to $6 or retail $8 to $14 depending on the fragrance and additives you use. That wraps up today's episode. If you want to see more DIY projects like this, be sure to subscribe and check out our playlist over on our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss an update from AFI. As always, I'm Caitlin and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.